Hi, my name is Mark Cooper, CEO of PM11. I was asked recently to co host a webinar with Tanya Walter, CEO of Obzervr, and we talked about how organisations can automate and use mobility solutions to improve maintenance. It was hosted by AustMine, the leading industry body for Australia for mets and mining, and the following is one in a series of topics. Today's topic is Data is an Asset.
There's some key lessons, I suppose, in this century, and that is that data is an asset. From a PM11 point of view, getting more accurate data flowing into SAP is great, a great thing for the customer, and so we know that that'll solve a lot of issues. So if we have a look at those comments down the left-hand side, we don't recognise that number. Well, the good thing is that we can automate the analytics. We can define the precise definitions of those KPIs. We can capture the information within tolerances, that sort of thing. So you will always understand that number from now on. Well, the second one, we're too busy to enter timesheets, and it's just such a common theme at most mining companies. But no longer do you need to rely on the persistence of the supervisors to chase down that paperwork. It's just in the system by virtue of the fact that you've actually got to follow a business process, not a screen, but a business process. If you have a look at the next one, we don't have office time to update SAP. What we've found at customers is that it just releases that drudgery of paperwork and screen time. And as I said, it's about capturing information automatically. And the last 2 points are all about analytics and data, and good companies recognise that they trust their data. If they can get trust in data, it's critical to actually improve performance and make better decisions in the long run.